Hello children, I hope you all are doing fine and safe at home. So last class we have discussed the lesson The Glimpses of Past written by S.T. Savanth. In that we have learned about Martyrs, the British rule, the company conquest, Ram Mohan Roy and oppression. So today we are going to study about dissatisfaction, the sparks, revolt and the fight for freedom. Okay. So now let us start with the part 6, the dissatisfaction from the year 1835 to 1856. So what is the meaning of dissatisfaction? Means discontent or lack of satisfaction. Okay, so here before 1835 in India all the teaching methods were in the form of Sanskrit. Yes, Sanskrit is a kind of language. But after that, in 1835, Lord Macaulay, one of the British officers, he suggests that the medium of education in India should be in English. Because then only the education is delivered in their language. So the reason behind that is they want to produce an army of clerks to assist the British. So here the clerk is a kind of work. They used to do all the clerical tasks and the administrative duties like answering the phone and typing the document like that. So for this need only they translated the medium of education into English. So it happens, but it also produced a new wise and intellectual generation. So in that some of them try to educate the masses and some they decided to convey the grievance of people to the British Parliament, because now they are educated, they are able to understand the situation happening in our country, right? So later by the year 1856 the British were ruling the whole of India. So during that time the dissatisfaction of public began to grow. So the people wanted to get rid of the British people from our country. So here on the part 7 is about the spark from the year 1855 to 1857. So between 1855 to 57, the tribal people named Santhals, they were completely annoyed by the British rule. So they had lost their land to the Britishers under the new British law. So then they started to retaliate by killing many European servants alike. So then there was a discontent with East Indian Company Army too. So the English people, they did not care about the Indian cultures. So soon the movement of freedom started to gear up. So then they started to circulate the message through the chapatis and lotus flowers through the village to village. So with them was the message that their native emperor would want their service. Means the kings, they need the people help to against the British. So many people they came forward to help and against the British. Okay. Then there was a Mangal Pandey who tried to retaliate and who tried to fight against the British people, and he also killed one of the adjutant of their army. Here the adjutant means British soldier, but later on he was killed by the British people. So here in the part 8 is about the revolt in the year 1857. So what is the meaning of revolt? So here the revolt means taking a violent action against the British people. So the famous revolt started at Meerut. So Meerut is a place name in India in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so during 1857 the urge to free the nation from British continued to grow. So then the Sipai, that is the soldiers, they started to march and move to Delhi to support their kings like Bahadur Shah. So soon the revolt continued to spread and grows like a fire. So even they got help from the landlords who lost their land with the British people. On the time the every Indians like man, woman, child, youngster, everyone started going for the freedom movement to fight against the British people. Right. So on the time they realized that this is the time for British people to leave our country. So here the last part is about the fight for freedom in the year 1857. So during the time the leaders like Malvi Ahmadullah from Faridabad, they started to motivate the people to fight against the British people. So on the time the people of Bareilly, Kanpur, they came forward for the freedom movement. So again the kings like Azad Mughal, they also started to join for the freedom movement because all their kingdom had been taken by the British people. Okay. So then the entire North India, they came together in a large number to fight a battle against the British people. So on the time the 8-year-old small boy, his name was Kunwar Singh and he's from Bihar. So during the freedom movement he was hit by a bullet in the wrist. So on the time he just cut it off and throwing it into the Ganga river, and he said that it was his last offering. So like that the freedom movement happened during the year of 1857. Okay. So I hope you all understood the lesson. Now what you have to do, take the textbook and read the whole lesson. You will understand it clearly. Thank you.